Welcome back to another video. In this video we will have a look at an application called Pinokio. It's a browser-like application that simplifies the installation and management of AI applications on your computer, on your local computer. It offers a one-click installation process for various AI tools. So it aims to make deploying AI apps locally easy by automating the installation and configuration process, eliminating the need for manual command line setups. So manually setting up these dependencies for applications is quite heavy on the user. You have to install Python, Git, CUDA, and so many other dependencies. It depends on the application you're installing and what the dependencies are for that application. But using Pinokio, it handles it all for you. So the reason why this app is really good is it installs all its dependencies in a separate, isolated environment, preventing conflicts with other applications on your system, and it takes care of it all. And trust me, it's a pain when you are installing all of these manually and you are having conflict issues, etc., as I have just tried this on a previous AI application called Zonos. So we can go to Google and type Pinokio and go to the website, and from here you just need to download the installer, and once we click download, there is lots of information such as quick start guides and so on, so you might want to have a read of these. But here is the download for Windows button, and then you can run the downloaded file from the top right of the browser, or go to the download folder and execute the file from there. And then once it's installed, there will be an icon on the desktop for it, and in the GUI you can hover over to discover. The first time it's in the middle because there are no apps, but usually you go to it on the top right, as we can see here. And here are all of the apps it currently supports. Just to note, this list will grow as time goes by, but it supports quite a lot of apps already. And this page is verified scripts. These are ones that Pinokio is happy with, which means Pinokio considers them safe and trustworthy to use. Pinokio supports a variety of AI applications, including image generation, video generators, 3D models, text-to-speech, and more. Then there's the unverified tab. The unverified ones have not been officially reviewed. You get a warning about it in red over here as well. And basically these apps might not be as secure, they may have bugs on them or may not follow best practices. But I don't think it necessarily means they are dangerous, but use with caution. Right, so I'm going to install a random app. I'm going to choose Hunyuan 3D, since I don't know much about this app, apart from it's a 3D modeling app. It's just to show you how an app is installed. So we click it and then click download. It shows us what is required for this app to work. We can see what's already installed and what is not installed and therefore needs to be installed. So things like Conda, Git, FFmpeg are installed, and things like CUDA, Pi and Hugging Face are not installed. So it will install them. Then we hit install. So here it is downloading and installing everything it needs. I will speed up the video, saving about 10 minutes. Now it's asking me to give the model a name and save, so stick to the default given name, install and hit install again. Now for the main installation of Hunyuan 3D modeling app. And here is Hunyuan 3D image generator, so you can generate a 3D model of any image. And I'm not going to spend any more time here because I'm going to do a dedicated video on this app. And that's really it for this video. That's a quick overview of how to use Pinokio to install AI apps.